Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir closed down 34 cents, 2.54%, closed at $13.06. Post-market, we seem to be down by 14 cents at $12.92. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we had a nice little bounce up, a green candle, and today we are basically going sideways. Not much else to say. Let me go see the 1-hour chart. So we opened right here, so we cannot cross 1350. 1350 is an intraday resistance. So we crossed it during the day, came back down, tried again, and look at how perfect this is. We tried again and stopped right smack on it and then came down. So 1350 was not to be crossed today. Going back to the daily chart, all of the indicators are pretty much negatives because the stock has not shown us anything that would be deemed as a reversal. So to have a reversal, we would need to cross this resistance line here. So it's possible that we go sideways onto it, that we go up to here. But with these two scenarios, unless we cross this resistance, I would not touch this stock with a 10-foot pole. We have support right here. So this is the channel support. And we also have support at 1103. The stock can just play here until it decides to cross that resistance. Let's just wait. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool with a little bit of a discount. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.